Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bath& Body Works Fairy Tale Body Cream. This is a great moisturizing body cream that lasts pretty much all day. Gives your skin a nice shine and smooth to the touch. It has a bit of a fruity type of scent and smell to it. The cream is kind of thick and rubs in nicely and absorbs into your skin and doesn't leave a film. As you can see, I took some out here and it rubs nicely. So yeah, this is a pretty good product and I would highly recommend it. I hope this review helps.